गोयच्या NITचो चौथो पदवीदान सुवाळो शुक्रारा पणजे जालो। मुखेल सोयरो उपराष्ट्रपती वेंकय्या नायडू आशिल्लो। भारत कसो विविधताय आनी कुशळटायेन कसो भरला हें सांगतना ताणें गोंयचे शीतकळेची तोखणाय केली।
You have great opportunities as well as great challenges, as I told you. The need of the hour is to impart skills to the youngsters to enable them and find gainful employment or become self-employed. Everybody cannot get employment in government. It's not possible also. Government employment is to service the people, na? If everybody is employed and then if everybody is employed in government, then what will happen to the people? The need of the hour is to impart skills. There are skills in this country among every section of the people. Even be a commoner, the goldsmith, the blacksmith, the potterer, the fisherman. Everybody has got a talent in this country. The cook, the food of India, in time tested. It is attracting international attention, even the food of India. Your idli, your sambar, your dosa are becoming international. Your pizzas and burgers will not be able to stand before them in the longer run. The Goa fish curry has no parallel. Nobody can beat it. Once you get used to that, you will be tempted. Because it's time tested, seasonally planned by our forefathers. They have rich experience. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. So in the recent past in Rajya Sabbha, I have allowed 22 Indian languages, including Konkani. Members can speak in their language. If you are speaking in your mother tongue, then you will be able to articulate better. Because bhasha, bhavana, ek saath chalta hai. That has to be remembered once in a month. And the fifth one is Guru. The Guru who has given you this knowledge.
आता राज्यसभेत कोंकणीत उलोवंक मेळटा हें ताणें सांगलें। शिक्षण पद्दतींत उद्योगांच्यो गरजो पळोवन बदल करपाची गरज ताणें उक्तायली।
Here I would like to emphasize upon the urgent need to revamp our education system, particularly higher education, tuned with contemporary requirements. We simply cannot continue to have lakhs of engineering students graduating without basic employable skills every year. This undesirable trend has to be stopped. Our universities need to overhaul the syllabi and teaching methodologies to make the courses relevant to the needs of the industry. I also feel that engineering students should be made to work as interns for some weeks every year to enable them gain first-hand experience. As mentioned earlier, we need to improve the quality of life of the millions of Indians, and the role of scientists and engineers is very important in overcoming various challenges.
शिक्षण काम धंदो करतना समाजात कितें चल्ला ताची युवा पिळगेन जाण दवरची म्हूण राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा उलयली।
अभी 4-5 दिन पहले की बात है, इंटरव्यू में थी, कुछ नौजवान का इंटरव्यू ले रही थी, साक्षात्कार था। वो सर्विस में ऑलरेडी हैं। मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आपकी सर्विस इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप देश के लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी ऐसा मौका आए कि ये सर्विस छोड़ के और सोसाइटी में जाकर आपको कुछ करना हो तो कौन सा एरिया आप चुनेंगे? तो उन्होंने सीधे कहा कि मैंने इस पर कभी विचार नहीं किया है, मेरे मस्तिष्क में बात नहीं आई है। इससे मुझे एक आइडिया लगा और मैं सोचने लगी कि टेक्निकल एजुकेशन के साथ, साइंस के एजुकेशन के साथ हमारा समाज क्या है, हमारे समाज में कौन सी समस्याएं हैं, और थोड़ा बहुत समय निकालकर या अपने काम में जिसमें हम लगे हैं किस तरह से हम समाज के लिए कुछ करेंगे, इसका भी विचार हमारे नौजवानों को होना चाहिए।
मनोहर पर्रीकाराक NIT गोवा honorary डॉक्टरेट दिल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।